Hi, I'm Singogo Lotty from METTYSING ICT Solutions. I believe that power of gadget in your hands can either help you build a future or destroy it. In this video, I will explain what a computer is in the simplest way possible. Whether you're a complete beginner, a student, a teacher, a business owner, this is for you. And this is actually the first episode in most of the episodes that I'll be breaking down fundamentals of computers. Our goal today is very simple: to define a computer. Before we define a computer, here are a few important words you hear. Number one, input, process, store, retrieve, output. Right. Having said that, what we need to define is a computer. Now, the pictures that you are seeing are simply examples of computers that you may have already seen. But something to take note is that computers range from smartwatches, smartphones, laptops, tablets, to desktops. Here is a definition for a computer. A computer is an electronic device that accepts input, processes it, stores it, and gives you an output. That's a definition for a computer. It helps us do so many things, such as writing documents, browsing the internet, sending emails, playing games, even running businesses. Okay, it could be that you are using one of the already mentioned computers here. Some of you are watching me using the same computers that I've mentioned. So now you know a computer is more than just a screen. It's a tool that, when used right, can help you build your digital future. And that's what this series is all about. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss episode 2. Let's build your digital future step by step. See you in the next video.